1. Material preparation and feeding. Prepare a bowl of wet seasoning in advance by adding 30% water to the cornstarch. 2. Startup sequence and material feeding. First, start the cutting motor to high speed, then start the main motor. The prepared wet feed is continuously and uninterruptedly introduced by manual feeding. 3. Normal production. Once the material starts discharging from the front outlet, you can turn the feeding knob to low speed. As the machine temperature gradually increases, the feeding rate can be increased slowly. 4. Shutdown sequence. First, turn off the feed knob. The main unit and cutter idle for 1 minute to push the remaining material forward for easy cleaning. 5. Disassembly and cleaning. After opening and removing the cutting guard, twist the cutting blade to the side. Then, using the disassembly tools provided with the machine, loosen the screws on the machine head and remove the machine head. Then, turn on the main unit and run it idle for about 30 seconds to discharge the remaining material. Use tools such as a flat shovel to remove and clean the auger. Six. Final installation and debugging. After cleaning the spiral, put it back in its original position. You can wiggle it left and right to make it easier to insert. Then, replace the mold resistance ring and other components in sequence. Align the holes and tighten the screws. Finally, check that the blade is lightly touching the mold to ensure a perfect cut.